Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to increase your font size on a GrubHub. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so I'm going to open up GrubHub and you can see the default font size is set to this. So in order to make my font size larger, what we need to do is head back and open up your settings app on your mobile device. Now from here inside settings, we need to scroll down and look for display. So go ahead and tap onto display, not battery. And once you're inside display, scroll down again and look for font size and style. Go ahead and click into that. And right at the bottom of the page, inside font size and style, we've got a slider. So if you move this slider all the way to the right, we'll increase the font size. If you put it all the way to the left, it will decrease your font size. So I'm going to keep it near the end here. And now if I go ahead and go back to GrubHub, you'll be able to see the font size inside GrubHub is significantly larger than it currently was